The upcoming Nothing Phone 4a Pro is creating buzz in the smartphone community, as early signs of the device have surfaced online. According to a report by SmartPrix, the Nothing Phone 4a recently appeared in the IMEI database with the model number A069P. This discovery is important because Nothing has a clear naming strategy for its A-series phones. The earlier Nothing Phone 3a carried the number A059, while the Nothing Phone 3a Pro used A059P. The jump to A069P strongly indicates that the Nothing Phone 4a Pro will be the direct successor, marking a new generation with upgraded hardware and software. Although the company has not yet officially confirmed the Nothing Phone 4a Pro launch date, certification listings such as the IMEI database often point to devices nearing release. If Nothing follows a timeline similar to previous launches, an official announcement could arrive within the next few months. Fans are now eager to learn more about the Nothing Phone 4a Pro specifications, which are expected to be a huge jump in terms of software and hardware. By the way, what did you like the most about the Phone 3a series? Feel free to share in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, reports suggest that the phone could feature a MediaTek processor more advanced than the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, which powered the Nothing Phone 3a Pro. A stronger chipset would mean faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better support for AI-driven features. This aligns with Nothing's broader focus on integrating artificial intelligence more deeply into its user experience. If true, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro specs could make it one of the most competitive mid-range phones of 2025. Additionally, the brand's signature Glyph interface is expected to remain, offering unique LED-based notifications that have become Nothing's design trademark. While complete Nothing Phone 4a Pro specifications remain under wraps, the leaks already suggest a balanced upgrade. More concrete details are likely to surface as the official launch gets closer, giving users a clearer picture of what to expect from this much-anticipated model. Alongside new hardware, the company has been working on software enhancements with the rollout of Nothing OS 4.0. This update introduces several new features that will likely debut with the Phone 4a Pro. Users can look forward to a redesigned lock screen with modern clock styles, a simplified quick settings menu, and fresh widgets for faster access to essential tools. The update also brings extra dark mode, designed to reduce eye strain while extending battery life, and pop-up view, which allows apps to run in floating windows for seamless multitasking. The Nothing OS 4.0 features go beyond visual changes. Performance optimizations have been introduced to make the system feel faster and more stable. The camera and gallery apps will include creative presets and advanced controls, giving users more flexibility in capturing and editing photos. AI-powered dashboards will provide better privacy management and system insights, while refinements in brightness adjustment, connectivity, and always-on display ensure a smoother day-to-day experience. With these changes, the software side of the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is shaping up to be as impressive as the hardware upgrades. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing Phone 4a? Will you not buy? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.